Round 1 sequence were
This is an Alberta emergency alert. Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued a possible tornado alert. This alert is in effect for Terra County at 11:28 p.m. A rotating severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado is located near Sundre and is nearly stationary. Communities in the path include Sundre. If you are in the affected area, seek shelter immediately in a basement or reinforced structure. Get low and put as many walls between yourself and the storm as possible. Stay away from windows, doors, and outside walls. If you are on the highway and cannot avoid the tornado, seek shelter in a ditch or ravine. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.